Krisp microphone not working? Yeah, that's super frustrating, especially when nobody can hear you on a call. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right, first, make sure Krisp is selected as your microphone in your app. I mean, if another mic is selected, Krisp won't work. Next, open Krisp and check your input device. Yeah, make sure your actual microphone is selected inside Krisp. Now, go to your system settings and make sure Krisp has microphone access. Without permission, it won't capture audio. Okay? Restart Krisp in your calling app. I mean, this fixes most temporary glitches. Also, check your microphone input level. Yeah, if it's muted or too low, no sound will go through. If you're using other audio tools, disable them. Conflicts can stop Krisp from working properly. Next, make sure Krisp is updated. I mean, older versions can cause microphone issues. If it's still not working, uninstall and reinstall Krisp. Yeah, this can fix corrupted files. And test your microphone in another app. This helps confirm if the issue is with Krisp or your system. So yeah, that's how you fix Krisp microphone not working. One of these steps should get your audio back instantly. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.